Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Wednesday, June 18th. So what's going on? We just had our 8:30 numbers. Unemployment claims came in as expected at 245 versus 246, so virtually exactly the same. Uh, Building permits were less than expected, which is kind of worrisome because this is the peak of the building season. Housing starts at 1.26 versus 1.35 expected. However, interest rates are high and prices are also high, so this does not necessarily just surprise me. 10:30 we got crude oil inventories. 12 noon we've got natural gas storage. Natural gas storage is on a Wednesday. Normally it's on a Thursday because tomorrow is a holiday. 2 p.m. we got the Fed funds rate, FOMC economic projections, and the FOMC statement, and then a FOMC press conference at 2:30. It's widely expected not to change interest rates. So we'll have to wait and see what the Fed has to say. Red, 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 red. So remember, these are all red, and we need to be very aware of the time today because volatility will go crazy at 2 p.m. and at 2:30. So be very aware of time of day and event that is happening. Moving on, looking at the charts, we're still going what? Sideways. Volume, above the moving averages, yes. Still a bull flag, yes. Yes, is what it is. Moving on. Ugly day yesterday. Ugly down action, as well as inventory was decidedly negative 12,000 plus contracts is correlated, so we're not too worried about that. Market is functioning as it should. Overnight, we had overnight of 45 points. That is the new normal. Where do we have support and resistance? So we've got resistance on the top side. 6,100 is the big number, but you can see there's a bunch of lines right there at 60.90. So 60.90, 6,100. We get above 6,100, it kind of breaks out to 61.10-ish, all the way up to 61.34. Support, on the other hand, we've got a little bit of confluence right around 6,010. Of course, the 6,000 number, big fat round number, 59.8075. We get below that, it gets kind of ugly, goes down to 59.50. So it is what it is. Day before holiday. Remember, tomorrow is a holiday, so we will not have a morning brief tomorrow. I will see you guys on Friday. Hope you have a great day. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.